Here we are on Providencia. That's Topanga Canyon Boulevard. And we have a nice remodeled house here. Little front yard. Cool concrete with some turf. The garage has been repainted. Let's take a look inside. Nice entrance door. Hello.
How are you?
Good.
So sorry about that.
No problem at all. Just want to take a video for my clients.
Okay, cool. So
Nice,
you're an agent?
fully remodeled. Yes,
Very
fully
cool.
remodeled house. This is the laundry area and a 3/4 bathroom here for guests. Very nicely done. Right behind the entrance door is the first bedroom with a couple windows out to the front. Very nice looking living area, dining area, and step down to a covered patio. Really pretty in here. Nice backyard. Let's go check out the bedrooms. Hallway closet. This is the second bedroom. Nice foliage outside the window. Closet there. This is the hallway bathroom. Full shower and tub. Nice finish. Hexagonal tiles. Door to the primary suite with a nice long hallway and an office here. You can use it as a workout room or an office. And then we enter the primary bath. Nice separate tub with jacuzzi, jets, dual vanity, toilet, standalone shower. Very nice finishes. Primary closet here. Nice walk-in closet. And the primary suite. Beautiful. Really cute. Nice sliding doors to the backyard. Nice. Call me if you have any questions or if you want to see a similar house. Put the address in the comments.